You know that moment when you see black mold in your bathroom and think, great, now my wall looks like it's growing its own ecosystem. So naturally, I started looking for an easy fix and came across something called NuroClean Mold Remover Gel. It's all over the internet, claiming to remove mold quickly without heavy scrubbing. But the real question is, does it actually work or is it just another product with big marketing promises? Let's break it down. NuroClean is basically a thick cleaning gel designed to target mold on surfaces like tile, grout, sinks, and bathroom corners. The idea behind the gel formula is simple. Instead of a liquid cleaner that runs down the wall, the gel sticks to the spot so it can work directly on the mold. Using it is pretty simple. First, apply the gel directly into the moldy area. Second, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so the formula can break down the stain. And finally, wipe the surface clean with a cloth or sponge. If the mold is stubborn, you may need to repeat the process. The concept actually makes sense. A gel cleaner staying in place can help it target mold in tight areas like grout lines or corners, which are usually the hardest spots to clean. But here's where things get interesting. When you start digging deeper online, some independent reports and consumer discussions raise concerns about the product. Several buyers claim the results didn't match the dramatic before and after ads, especially for heavier mold stains. Others mention that some online sellers use aggressive marketing tactics or confusing order pages that can catch people off guard. That doesn't automatically mean every bottle is fake or useless, but it does mean this is one of those products where expectations should stay realistic. A cleaner might help with light mold spots, but severe mold problems usually need deeper cleaning or proper mold treatment. So here's the honest takeaway. The idea of a no-drip mold remover gel is actually practical, especially for bathrooms and kitchens where moisture builds up, but like many viral cleaning products online, it's smart to research the seller and keep expectations realistic before buying. Because when it comes to mold, there's no magic potion that solves everything instantly. And trust me, if there was, every bathroom in the world would already be spotless. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend help support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.